Hello everyone. So we are from Business Ethics Value, Group 1, Section 01. We have came to an residential area near PJS 7 to do our CSR project for public area cleanup. So this is the area. So we are going to clean up now. So stay tuned to watch. Box, cigarette box, I'm picking up. It has been 3 hours. We have cleaned up the whole stretch of PJS 7 near SK Bandar Sunway and SMK Bandar Sunway. We have collected a lot of garbages around the drainage and the roads, at the side of the roads. And these are the garbages. So it was a great experience cleaning the area. So we hope we could do this kind of projects in the future also. So thank you to my teammates who have joined and did this CSR project. Thank you so much, guys.